Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Mohammad Shaukat Ansari from your lovely and wonderful channel Learn English with Shaukat Ansari. In my previous video, I tackled the uses of has or have or had in assertive sentences, I mean affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. Today I am going to deal with general expressions by using has or have or had. Has or have in present tense or had in past tense, in past concept. So my focus in this video is on expressions, useful expressions by using has or have or had. All of you are most welcome to this deep, diverse, and illuminating discussion on the uses of has or have or had. And believe me, my focus is always on simple learners, average learners, or those who wish to improve English. And believe me, my this channel is well visioned, relevant, and believes in making efforts to make your English improved and enhanced. And in this context, I would like to quote here a renowned satirical poet in English literature, Alexander Pope. Once he says, "Charms strike the sight. Charms strike the sight, but merit wins the heart." So I am trying to insert merit in my old videos, and I think I have already uploaded more than 70 videos, and my focus is on your improvement of English. And I think you will be enjoying. And in this perspective, in this backdrop, I would like to make a polite request to all of you that you please drop likes to my videos. Decorate this channel Learn English with Shaukat Ansari with your huge shares. Give your critical comments, your objective comments, your comments that will make me improve this channel, the presentation, the contents, the delivery of this channel. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And at last, I would like to make a polite request to all of you that you please circulate, you please promote, you please make this channel popular among your friends, among other learners of English, among other lovers of English, among students. Now come to the main purpose of this video, and the purpose is that the uses of has or have or had in providing, in channelizing relevant expressions. Expression number one, has or have in present tense or had in past tense is used to say about general sickness, is to speak of sickness like a cold, a cough, a sore throat, the flu, a headache, influenza, a fever. I repeat, a cold, a cough, a sore throat, the flu, a headache, influenza, a fever. And all these things are coming in my back on the TV also. Examples in support about this rule number one, about this content number one, delivery number one, examples, I have a sore throat. You can use such types of sentences in your daily uses, in your daily lives. So sentence number one, example number one, I have a sore throat. And you know it's common nowadays, and you can use this sentence in order to. He has a sore throat. She has a sore throat. Sita has a sore throat. He has a bad cold. He has a bad cold. I need to lie down. I have got a headache. I need to lie down. I have got a headache. She is having a fever. She is having a fever. Okay. Now come to or march to rule number 2, pertaining to the uses of has or have or had in the useful expressions, fruitful expressions, especially in the context of spoken English. So has or have in present tense or had in past tense is employed to communicate, to convey about eating or drinking, like breakfast, lunch, dinner, a meal, a drink, a pizza, a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, a glass of milk, a glass of water. 2 glasses of water. Examples to communicate, examples to speak, examples to cite in your daily uses. Example number 1, sentence number 1. Where is Anne? She is having breakfast. The question is, where is Anne? And someone is replying, she is having breakfast. It means her taking breakfast is going on. Second sentence, I always have breakfast at 8 in the morning. I always have breakfast at 8 in the morning, or 8 o'clock, or 8 a.m. Another example, next example, she has 1 cup of tea this morning. She has 1 cup of tea this morning. I would like to conclude here. Thanks for being with me, and see you in the next part of the series of the uses of has or have, and stay blessed. Again, I would like to tell you that you subscribe to this channel, make this channel popular among learners and lovers of English. Thank you very much. See you.